Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions error. Sometimes you may run into an issue where you can't change the date and time zone on your device. User sees the error message saying the time zone cannot be set manually due to the restrictions error. In the date and time settings of the device, this issue may become apparent, and when you have traveled to a different location in different time zone and your iPhone or iPad time has not automatically adjusted to show the correct time where you are currently. This issue happens to me too often as my travels involves different time zones. Before we start, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is update and restart. The first step is to ensure that your iPhone or iPad has the latest version of iOS or iPadOS. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is check location services. Ensure that your location services are enabled and working. There are two settings to check. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security and then tap on Location Services at the top. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on System Services. Ensure that setting time zone is allowed to use location services. And you are done. And the next step is check screen time and other restrictions. If screen time occur restrictions or parental control is enabled, you will be prevented from manually adjusting the time zone. Furthermore, if your device includes a profile with restrictions, this setting may not be available. If you have enabled screen time with a password, iOS will prevent you from changing the time zone option so that the limit cannot be bypassed by changing the time zone. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Screen Time. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. From here, turn off Screen Time Passcode. It might ask you to enter your passcode for screen time, so enter it. Next, go to Settings and then go to General. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on VPN and Device Management. From here, tap on the eye icon next to your profile. Next, tap on Delete and then tap on Delete again to confirm. And you are done. Next, go to Date and Time settings to see if this solution worked or not. Go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Date and Time. As you can see, this issue resolved and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions error, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.